The sun was beginning to dip behind Diamond Head when we first spotted the vibrant sails of the Holokai Catamaran. Anchored off Waikiki Beach, it seemed to call out like an invitation, bold, bright, and full of promise. Naturally, we couldn't resist. If there's a way to experience Oahu's coast with both excitement and serenity, we figured this might be it. From the moment we boarded, it was clear this wasn't your average boat tour. The crew greeted everyone like old friends, cracking jokes and handing out tropical drinks that perfectly matched the mood. With music in the background and the skyline slowly shrinking behind us, we set sail. The real magic happened as the catamaran cut across the Pacific. Holokai glided smoothly over the waves, offering unobstructed views of the city fading into sunset gold. We lounged on the nets, sea spray misting our faces, while turtles surfaced and seabirds danced overhead. The vibe was effortless. Some guests sipped mai tais in the shade, others leaned into the wind on the bow. Whether you wanted to party or simply soak in the beauty, Holokai delivered. And unlike many tourist traps, this felt refreshingly genuine, Hawaiian hospitality paired with unforgettable scenery. As night fell, city lights flickered to life, reflecting on the gentle waves. The silhouette of Diamond Head behind us reminded us just how iconic this place really is. And from the deck of Holokai, it felt like we were living a postcard dream. If you're in Waikiki and only have one evening to spare, don't just sit on the beach watching the sunset, sail straight into it. Holokai's catamaran isn't just a ride, it's a memory in motion. What's the most unforgettable sunset cruise you've ever taken, and how did it compare?